'Cause nobody does it like you. I like the way that you move. That's why I never go through with leaving you. Everybody
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kira Srimarini. My MPM is 24411045. I am for management class 24E. It's in this video I take your on the deep dive into something that's always around use, but when often overlooked, it's law, and more specifically business law. In your daily life, we encounter the word law, whether in the news, social media, or personal experience. However, not everyone truly understands what the law really means and how important its role is in our life. Interestingly, law is just a matter for the course of the policy. It's also the relationship with the world or economy and business. Through this discourse, we will gradually understanding what law is, how it works in society, and how it applies to business activity. The goal is simple. So that later when you run a business or work in the personal world, you can be more aware of the importance of understanding legal regulation as the business or every business discussions. So, what exactly is law? Simple words, law is the definition as the asset of the rules character to regulation human behavior in social. Law are characterized by authorities, institutions such as the government or legislative bodies and buildings. This means that everyone is obligated to obey them without exception from original creatures to status official. If someone breaks the law, there are consequences. Their sanctions can include finance, criminal penalty, or even the reformation of creating drinks. But the purpose of the law is not to intimidate, but to maintain order, justice, and peace in society. Imagine if there are law, everyone could ask as the police. It would be judges. What it is? Well, this that where law play a role in managing balance, so that we can live side by side in the place and with mutual respect. The purpose of law is actually very noble. Law are created to uphold justice, managing social order, and provide legal guarantees for everyone. Nah, in the business world, law also serves to protect the rights and obligations of the parties involved. For example, in the relationship between companies and consumer, the law ensures that both parties are treated fair. If a company sells a product, the law protects consumer for harms. And conversely, the law also protects business actors so they have a strong foundation where facing problems such as breach of contract of funds. So, law is essentially a safeguard of the balance between rights and obligations in social. Okay, there are several characteristics of law that distinguish it from mere rules. First, mm, law is regulation and conference, meaning everyone much about the law, whether they like it or not. Second, law is made by official institutes, not just unknown. For example, by the House of Representatives, the government of the jury treats a law applies universally, so everyone's regardless of background is bound by the same rules. Finals, law has sanctions if violated. There are consequences. The goal is not to punish, but to provide a deter even an essence of assembly for the special rules. The way social and finance more orderly and with mutual respect. In Indonesia, a legal regulations are based on the 1945 Constitution as the high source of life. Articles 1, paragraph 3 states that Indonesia is a state based on the law. This means that all education of credit institutes and even the government must behave on the law, no power of personal interest. From this specialist, various victims of law have development such as criminal law, civil law, and business law. Business law is our main focus today because of the crucial role in maintaining justice and order in the economic world. Business law is a branch of law that regulates and economic activity, the relationship between business actors. For example, where two partners sign a operational contract, when a company sells a product to a customer, or when an investor invests capital, are already regulated by business law. The main goal is to create finance, character, and protect for all parties. Without business law, all agreements would be made verbal without any quarters, and if problem arose, this would be not basic for resolutions. Again, the divorce business law can be considered a dual lens that directs the business world to operate fast, honestly, and professionally. The purpose of business law is essentially the same as general law, but its connecting is more specific. Business law what character to provide legal characters in economic transactions, protects business and customer, and about justice in the business world. For example, if two company collaboration but one filters the adjustments, business law provides a clear regulation, makes hard in terms. This way, a business can be considered with a sense of security and mutual trust because all rights and obligations are fair regulations by law. One of the primary functions of business law is the profit funds and distributors. Furthermore, the law also play a significant role in regulation, contract, and adjustment, so that a regulation binding. For example, when some sign a seller's agreements, the law ensures that the conditions of the contract are valid, fair, and accountable. With the law, the ranks of every business actor and be graduates, and if a faulty occurs, the resolution can be preferred through legal channels. A character is emotional of violations. The soul of business law is the first. There's context law, which regulation comparative relationship between partners. Third, cooperative law, which regulation from the farm and establishments of business entries. Third, also employment law, which Proctor Walter runs. Furthermore, there is international product law, which is gradual of creative industry, prior to payment tricks work and bricks farming company by other, and of course, this customer product law, which graduates security and advice for buyer of viewers of products. So whether the business funds, business law is our person behind the scenes. For example, as company fail to pay its employees according to their employment contracts, employee character have the right to say excuse. This is where business law comes into play. Employees can report the matter to Department of Manpower after this gets to course. This way, this train can be researched according to applicable law. Okay, cases like these are common and serve as character evidence that business law is not just theory, but really practice people in the works and business world. The law can be linked into the foundation of the business world. In the laws is protect and enforced. There's amongst business actor we interest investor we feel such and competition in the market will be helpers. However, in the law is included business can become an art for frauds and injustice. So, never feel that law is a obligation states the law is a proctor and support so the business can run stably, transparently, and ethically. In the business words, law and ethics go hard in the hard complication with the law is not just about fair or statics, but also about moral and professionalism. Business that upholds wholeheartedly and legal compliance will be more easily trusted by customer, investor, and business partner. So you could say the law is the rules and ethics is the spirit. With these two things go hand in hand, a business will grow with a good and sustainable reputation. Although business law indicates regulation in implication in Indonesia, this first main challenge on the page is the language of legal understanding among uh, MES, my small business or like large business firms do not have which contract of are unaware of the how to legal protect their rights. As the result, when problem arises, the legal auto file for resolutions. Mm, Furthermore, a number more a contract available and weak law and for government's constitution to ensure business confidence. Therefore, education and author on business law are crucial to that business owner can be better prepared hours and process in declaring to trace business activation. So, from the proper discourse, we can conclude the law and business are close related. Business law play a crucial role in creating just legal charters and security for a partner involved in the business world. By understanding the law, business owners can avoid conflicts, managing their reputations, and ensure that business operates legal and ethically. Because ultimate and such as business and not only the degradation substantial profit but also one the obeys the law, respects the rights on the author, and makes in positive contribution to society. Thank you for waiting under the ends. We hope the video has broadened how your understanding and the import of understanding law and business law. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.